What's fucking good, man? Well, let's start that again. What's good, guys? Back, I guess. This has been a long time since I got back in. But yeah, I'm right in Thailand right now, just in a hotel. Not really much to. But there's not really anything much I want to say about that, other than the fact that I should have been documenting this whole last 2 months. I've basically been living out of back in a new hotel. This is easily like the 10th hotel in the last 2 months. But here I am again. We just finished another week of trading, and this is you could say one of my best weeks since coming back. I took a month off when I first came out here, where I didn't trade at all, and we had a very good week this week. Took 4 trades, 4 winners, 0 losses at all. There was actually a trade on Friday, which is the only day I did not trade. And there was a trade on that day as well. So there was technically 5 setups this week that you could potentially be caught in each New York session on gold. And I want to go through that. I want to go through them timestamps and all that jazz with the trades, and just basically review the week, plan next week as well. And yeah, I'm just going to go through all that and document it all. We'll start off with Monday on gold. By the time we got to New York session, which is where you see basically the orange part, is where I like to take potential trades each day. And we had some signs of rejection in this area just leading up to 10 p.m. Eastern, no, 10 a.m. Eastern, sorry, which is what I trade. I trade basically gold from 10 a.m. Eastern onwards. Every single day I look for a setup. I'll analyze economic data and stuff like that, and see if I can use that as a potential confluence for potential trades, or have an idea of where price could potentially end up at the end of the day. But the reason why I really like to trade after 10 a.m. Eastern is because I feel like that's when the dust settles. 10 to 11 a.m. Eastern is a very good time to look at the charts and see the data getting digested, you could say. But anyway, I'm going to try and blast through this. These are basically what you're looking at right now, is from Monday to Friday this week. I took 4 trades. 4 trades are on the screen right now. We'll buy on Monday after 10 a.m. Eastern. And then a buy on Wednesday after 10 a.m. Eastern again. And then finally a buy again after 10 a.m. Eastern. So yeah, all these trades were taken after 10 a.m. Eastern. Some were actually after 11 a.m. Eastern, actually. I think Thursday was after 11 a.m. Eastern. But clear pattern there. Don't really need to say too much about that. But yeah, I took some buys on Monday just above 2493 into 2508, I believe. Then we printed the new all-time highs on the first half of Tuesday. I was looking for sells to correct the move from the earlier in the day. I took some sells below 25.28 as we saw some exhaustion of lower time frames. And that was pretty good as well. Dropped back down to 25.05s again, correcting the initial move that we had earlier in the day on Tuesday. And then we decided to dig deeper in the later sessions of Tuesday. Well, after Tuesday, sorry. and then into Wednesday. Um, by New York session on Wednesday, we had dipped back into the 2500 flat level and a clear AOI and support level around 2500 flat. We took some buys as we saw some rejection massively on the lower time frames and exhaustion as well. Clean buys above 2500 flat into 2515 again for it to retest this clear minor resistance level that we had, that we were bound to retest once again at 20, basically like 2518. But yeah, that was the buy on Monday, the sell on Tuesday, and the buys on Wednesday. Now the final buys on Thursday. I did not take a trade on Friday. Basically, the this trade from Thursday extended into Friday and went beyond 25.15 again. So then we started to see some choppiness, closed for the week. But yeah, as price dipped deeper after Wednesday and coming into the early session of Thursday, by the time we got to New York session, we tapped back into 24.75s again because we had, I believe around here we had optimistic data. It was pretty good PMI numbers, pretty neutral for the most part. The data and jobs data wasn't that great either. So we had a dig deeper so we could set up for better buy positions, better buy prices. And that's exactly what happened basically. We tapped into the 25.75s, that area, and then started rejecting massively. Then we started to formulate a double bottom, failing to break lows, the lower time frames and stuff like that. We started printing back above 23, no, 25, 24.83, sorry. Yeah, all these numbers, because we're hitting new all-time highs and all all-time, so it's always changing. But 24.83 is where we shifted above the highs, continued breaking. But yeah, it was this was probably the longest trade of the week because it just took so long to get there, but eventually it got to 24.93 again. And that's where we took profit for 150 pips. But yeah, those are the trades that I took this week. Very simple, 4-0, very clean week. Overall, caught about 12R. Could have caught more had I let Thursday's trade run more. Had I let Monday's trade run more. Those both could have made me way more R, but just taking the 1 to 3s got me 12R. And yeah, an 100% win rate for this week. I believe I'm on like 7 wins and 5 losses for August. Not the best win rate, but we've secured a lot of R. I believe we've secured at least about, well, now we've secured about, let me think, 16 R overall, isn't it? So take away 5, 21, yep. So 16 R overall for this month. It isn't crazy, but it's pretty good. Return if you risk $500, you've essentially made 1,600, isn't it? No. You're risking $500 per trade. You'll be like $8 grand, basically. Oh, there we go. And most of you guys out there can get a prop firm account and risk $500. Oh wait, I just realized I'm on the wrong tab. And you guys can risk $500 without even risking your own money, and you can be on that sort of collecting in those sort of numbers. You only get 80% of that, granted, but that's still a decent amount of money. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna quit it here because I don't want to make this long at all. But yeah, this is my weekly recap from August 19th all the way to August 23rd. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.